Hi, I'm Manik.
Hi, I'm Yatharth. We are the co-founders of Wiztack. What is the problem which we are trying to solve? The current system is driven by offline content delivery. Now, this offline content delivery has a number of drawbacks. For example, a student needs to be physically present in the coaching center to attend a lecture, to take tests, or for clarification of doubts. In a general scenario, a student is not able to grasp 100% of the lecture which is delivered in the class. He may have some doubts which he has to clarify in the next class only, or maybe he can clarify those doubts from his peer group via phone calls. The second problem which we face in the offline content delivery is time bound. So a student is time bound by the coaching schedule that he has to attend the lecture during that period of interval itself, and he has to clarify the doubts which he has during that interval. So he's time bound by the coaching schedule.
So we came up with a solution to leverage IT to enable online content delivery and provide more integrated learning environment for students. So for that, in the phase one, we plan to develop independent websites for coaching institutes where they can manage their online notes, tests, and other learning resources. So students have ease of access to them. He can take tests anytime. He can retake tests and reiterate lectures and notes. And another thing is we provide student performance analytics based on tests, so teacher can better analyze how students are performing. And third thing is discussion forums allow students to discuss on their doubts. They allow teachers to get involved in the discussion and provide more relevant information to any topic or any query that is faced by the general students.
So this was phase one as described by Manik. In the phase one, we'll be doing all the stuff which just Manik mentioned. Now, when we'll have a bunch of maybe 100 coaching centers with us, we'll be moving on to phase two, where we'll have an online marketplace where we'll be publishing all the lectures from these coaching centers online. Now, why are we doing this? So in current scenario, what happens is a student has to move to Kota. For example, he's preparing for IIT, so he'll be moving to Kota to study there for 2 years to prepare for IIT. He has to leave his home, his parents, which is not easy for a student. So what if, just imagine that if all these courses are available online, the student can select that course and he can take that course just by sitting at his home. And in order to clarify his doubts, he can discuss it via the discussion forums and stuff like that.
In the third phase, we plan to offer these solutions on mobile as well, since mobiles are getting popular among everyone, be it students or teachers or parents. So this will provide the more integrated environment for them to learn. They will be more engaged in the learning process. And also we plan to extend the solution to schools where we also see the same offline content delivery problem. So that all said, I think these online content delivery systems are working like we have MOOCs in edX and Coursera, which are providing courses which are relevant to higher education. So our specific targets are the coaching centers which are preparing students for entrance exams. So that space is still uh, not addressed. So we plan to address that with our solution.
So that is the problem we are trying to solve. Thank you.
Thank you.